Underwater images are essential for marine research, aquatic habitat inspection, and underwater surveillance. However, capturing clear images underwater is challenging due to the absorption and scattering of light. As depth increases, longer wavelengths like red are absorbed, leaving images with a bluish-green tint and low contrast. This makes it difficult to extract valuable information from underwater photos. In this video, we'll explore how advanced techniques, especially those using convolutional neural networks (CNNs), are revolutionizing underwater image enhancement. Let's begin by understanding why underwater images need enhancement and what makes them so unique compared to images taken in air. Underwater environment presents unique challenges for image capture. Water is about 800 times denser than air, causing light to scatter and absorb more rapidly. When light enters water, only a portion penetrates, and it's further scattered by particles like sand and minerals. This scattering reduces the amount of light reaching objects, resulting in images with poor visibility and color distortion. As a result, underwater images often appear hazy with muted colors and low contrast. Understanding these challenges is the first step toward developing effective enhancement techniques. Underwater images are used in a wide range of applications, from inspecting submarine cables and detecting artificial objects to controlling underwater vehicles and supporting marine biology research. They are also vital in archaeology, consumer electronics, and external surveillance. The ability to capture and enhance underwater images opens up new possibilities for scientific discovery and technological advancement. However, the quality of these images directly impacts their usefulness, making enhancement techniques crucial for accurate analysis and interpretation. Light absorption is a key factor in underwater image degradation. As light travels through water, longer wavelengths like red are absorbed first, typically within the first 5 meters. Blue and green wavelengths penetrate deeper, which is why underwater images often have a bluish or greenish hue. Suspended particles such as sand, minerals, and plankton further scatter and absorb light, causing haziness and reducing image clarity. These physical properties of water make it challenging to capture true-to-life colors and sharp details underwater. Image enhancement aims to improve the visibility and quality of underwater images, making them more suitable for various applications. By emphasizing edges, increasing contrast, and correcting color distortions, enhancement techniques help reveal hidden details and make images more visually appealing. This process is especially important for scientific research, where accurate image interpretation is critical. The ultimate goal is to preserve valuable information while making the images easier to analyze and understand. Several techniques are used to enhance underwater images. Histogram equalization improves contrast by redistributing pixel intensities. White balance techniques correct color casts caused by varying illumination. Discrete cosine transform (DCT) methods help in reducing noise and improving sharpness. Each technique addresses specific challenges such as low contrast, color distortion, or poor visibility. By combining these methods, researchers can significantly improve the quality of underwater images, making them more useful for analysis and interpretation. Histogram equalization is a widely used technique for enhancing image contrast. It works by spreading out the most frequent intensity values, making dark areas lighter and bright areas darker. This process helps reveal hidden details in underwater images that might otherwise be lost due to poor lighting conditions. By transforming the intensity distribution, histogram equalization makes the image appear more balanced and visually appealing, which is especially useful for scientific and exploratory purposes. White balance is essential for correcting color distortions in underwater images. The gray world algorithm is a popular method that assumes the average color in a scene should be neutral gray. By adjusting the red, green, and blue channels, this technique compensates for color shifts caused by different lighting conditions. Proper white balance ensures that colors in underwater images appear more natural, making it easier to identify objects and analyze scenes accurately. Convolutional neural networks (CNNs) have transformed the field of image enhancement. By learning from large datasets, CNNs can automatically identify and correct distortions in underwater images. These deep learning models are particularly effective at improving low-resolution photos, enhancing contrast, and reducing color deviation. CNN-based methods outperform traditional algorithms, especially when dealing with complex underwater environments and varying lighting conditions. Recent research has introduced several innovative methods for underwater image enhancement. For example, modified color correction and adaptive lookup table (LUT) techniques improve visibility and reduce artifacts. Preserving filters help maintain texture details while smoothing out noise. Other studies focus on minimal color loss and locally adaptive contrast enhancement, ensuring vivid colors and improved details. These advancements demonstrate the ongoing evolution of underwater image processing. Hybrid frameworks combine multiple enhancement techniques to achieve superior results. For instance, integrating improved underwater white balance with histogram stretching compensates for color attenuation and removes unwanted color casts. Image fusion methods, such as averaging-based and PCA-based fusion, merge information from different images to create a more informative composite. These approaches ensure that enhanced images retain both color accuracy and sharpness. The enhancement process typically begins with color correction, where the red and blue channels are compensated based on histogram analysis. Next, white balance is applied using the gray world algorithm to correct overall color tone. Global histogram equalization is then used to enhance contrast, followed by image sharpening to define edges. Finally, image fusion techniques combine the best features from multiple processed images, resulting in a clear and visually appealing output. Gray world algorithm works by calculating the mean value of each color channel in the image. Each pixel's color is then normalized by dividing it by the channel mean, effectively removing color casts caused by lighting. This method assumes that the average color in a well-balanced scene is gray, and any deviation indicates a color shift. Applying this algorithm significantly improves the color accuracy of underwater images, making them more true to life. Contrast enhancement is crucial for revealing hidden details in underwater images. Global histogram equalization redistributes pixel intensities, making dark areas lighter and bright areas darker. This technique enhances the visibility of features that might otherwise be lost in low contrast conditions. By improving contrast, researchers and professionals can better analyze underwater scenes and extract meaningful information from images. Sharpening is an essential step in image enhancement. It increases the definition of edges, making objects and features more distinguishable. In underwater images, sharpening helps counteract the blurring effects caused by water turbidity and light scattering. By applying sharpening filters, the final image appears clearer and more detailed, which is especially valuable for scientific analysis and visual documentation. Image fusion combines information from multiple processed images to create a single, more informative output. Averaging-based fusion calculates the average intensity of corresponding pixels, while PCA-based fusion uses statistical methods to merge images based on their principal components. These techniques ensure that the final image retains the best features from each input, resulting in enhanced clarity, contrast, and color accuracy. Let's look at some visual examples. The original underwater image often shows a greenish or bluish tint, with poor contrast and low visibility. After applying color correction and histogram equalization, the image appears more balanced, with improved color and contrast. Fusion techniques further enhance the image, making details clearer and colors more vibrant. These steps collectively transform a dull underwater photo into a visually appealing and informative image. To assess the effectiveness of enhancement techniques, metrics like mean squared error, MSE, and peak signal noise ratio, PSNR, are used. Lower MSE and higher PSNR values indicate better image quality. By comparing these metrics before and after enhancement, researchers can quantify improvements in contrast, color accuracy, and overall visibility. This objective evaluation ensures that the chosen methods deliver tangible benefits for underwater imaging. Despite significant progress, underwater image enhancement still faces challenges. Some methods may introduce artifacts, such as blue patches on whitish areas, especially when bubbles are present. Noisy images require additional preprocessing like Gaussian smoothing to remove unwanted noise. Moreover, current processes often require manual intervention to decide compensation strategies based on image characteristics. These limitations highlight the need for more robust and automated solutions. Looking ahead, automation and deep learning hold great promise for underwater image enhancement. By training deep learning models on large datasets, it's possible to automate compensation strategies and improve robustness. These models can adapt to different types of underwater images, reducing artifacts and handling noise more effectively. As research progresses, we can expect more reliable and efficient enhancement techniques that work across a broader range of conditions. Summary: underwater image enhancement is crucial for unlocking the mysteries of the aquatic world. By applying color correction, contrast enhancement, sharpening, and fusion techniques, we can transform dull, distorted images into vibrant, informative visuals. Whether for marine research, archaeology, or underwater photography, these methods empower us to see and understand the depths like never before. As technology advances, the future of underwater imaging looks brighter and clearer, opening new horizons for exploration and discovery.